back here with another Lucky Topical Box unboxing video. So let's get this thing on the road. Okay, let's get this thing going. We got the Civil War knife here. Uh-oh, it's really hard with one hand. There we go. Oh, look at that. We get the guide. Oh, sorry about that. Hey. So, we got the Lucky Tackle Box guide. Just tells you what's in here. Some crankbait, jerkbait, soft bait, another soft bait, some hooks. Oh, we've got a lot in here this time. So we got the must-add hooks. Got some more of those. Got a nice little crankbait here. Be some nice for some nice fall some fall fishing here. This one I've been waiting for. This will catch a lot of fish, especially around these parts where the pike like to go for the red and white. Like, I know these are the bass box, but the other reason why I'm doing the bass box, just the original, is because I haven't seen anybody do it. So I'm doing one. Color changing baits. Well, you can see it goes from chartreuse, pearl to blood red and blue. I'm gonna have to do a video on these because I don't know how they change colors, but we'll find out. Then we got these guys here, some Bass Crashers. I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see it. Oh, drop one. So it's like a little frog looking thing. Let's see if we'll catch them. And well, they didn't give me a sticker this time. So that is it for this box. Not much in the, but for 19 bucks it's not too bad. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, stay tuned for next month's video for the Lucky Tackle Box unboxing when we do the walleye box. Every month I'm going to be doing a different box, and hopefully you enjoy this. Don't forget, subscribe, because in 24 more people we give our first giveaway. And it might be one of these lures. Bye-bye.